How to fit a large Excel table into a Word document. Copying a massive data sheet from Excel and blasting it straight into Microsoft Word completely shatters your document's layout. Half your columns get sliced off past the page margins, your cell text warps into unreadable vertical lines, and it looks like an absolute mess. Today, we are deploying a smart pasting and layout override pipeline to make any giant table fit perfectly in exactly 2 clicks. Okay, so let's firstly fix the raw data scaling. So head into your Excel spreadsheet, highlight the entire target grid layout. I'll just highlight all of the important rows, as so, and hit Ctrl+C to copy it. I'll jump over to your Word document canvas. Let's go back here. I'll just create a new document. And guys, do not just hit Ctrl+V. That forces a rigid, as you can see, unresizable container block. Instead, you can just right-click where you want the data to live and look under the paste options and select link and keep source formatting. As you can see, third one, and now paste it. And this links the document directly to the source sheet, so any future changes you make in Excel auto-update in Word instantly. Once your table drops into the page, it will likely still look blown out past the margins. In my case, that's exactly what it is. And to fix this instantly, guys, hover your mouse over the table and left-click the tiny 4-way arrow crosshair, which is this one. That will pop up at the absolute top left corner of the grid frame. And this highlights every cell simultaneously. Then look up in your top ribbon bar and click on the brand new contextual layout tab. Under the table tools, find the cell size group, which is this one, and click the auto fit drop down button and select auto fit window. Bingo. The table instantly flexes and collapses to align perfectly with your default page borders. Now, if your table has 15 or 20 columns, compressing it to fit a standard vertical page is going to squish your text into unreadable brick. We need to flip just that single page sideways without messing the rest of your portrait document. So keep your entire table highlighted via that same crosshair icon right over here. Click on it once. When the advanced page setup control deck opens, execute these 2 quick steps. Under the orientation section, click landscape. Alright, so you choose orientation and then landscape. Alright, and move down to the bottom of the box. You can open up the apply to drop down menu. And after this, as you can see, Word Layout Engine will automatically slice section breaks right before and right after your giant table, gracefully turning only that specific page sideways to give your columns massive breathing room. So your data grids are now perfectly responsive, completely readable, and dynamically bound to your source data engine without disrupting your structural layouts. Subscribe to the channel and like the video as always. Enjoy!